Shalom and welcome in. We're starting out with my blend of seasonings that I'm adding to my meat, which I'm using ground turkey and Italian ground turkey sausage. I'm using pretty basic ingredients here. I have my chopped garlic. I have 1 yellow onion, my bell peppers, orange and green, and my tomatoes. If you notice down in my pot, there is hardly any fat that has rendered from the turkey, which is one of the reasons why I love using ground turkey. I'm adding in my onion now to let it cook down a bit. So I now have my tomatoes all chopped and ready to go, my bell peppers, and I'm going to add my sauce in, let it cook down for a bit, and then I'll go in and add in my veggies. To my spaghetti sauce, I'm going to add a touch of sugar. And I know someone is probably saying, sugar? But I gotta tell you, plain tomato sauce around here just doesn't do it for us. My husband will eat this entire pot all by himself. I have to stop him. Returning our pot to a rolling boil, we're gonna let these noodles go. My pot has been simmering for about 15 minutes. I'm now going to go ahead and add in my vegetables, return it to simmering, and let all my flavors get married together really well. And then we'll go ahead and finish up this recipe.